How to stop messenger calls from showing in call logs on iPhone. You can do this, or you can achieve this in two different ways. First, let's go to settings button on our iPhone and tap on it. Then tap on the iCloud name on your iPhone. Then tap on iCloud. Tap on see all. Then scroll up to this place until you see messenger from the list of app you have here. Toggle off this button. Messenger must be toggle off. Then go ahead and turn off phone and FaceTime as well on the same place. Tap on it, toggle it off. This will help your phone from not showing messenger call from the call log again. Now the next step you can do is to use the focus button. So inside the setting again, tap back until you come to the main page like this. Go ahead and tap on focus. Here, tap on it. Now out of the focus you have here, for example, I want to use the Jasper, so that is the main focus I use. Tap on it. Now you see people and apps. Tap on add apps to customize these apps. Now here, tap on the plus icon. From the list of apps here, type in messenger, then tap on messenger, then tap on this done button. Messenger will be added to the list of apps here. It means silence notification, though it means that messenger will not pop up on the call log on your iPhone. So if you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe.